2416. So this is our view. We're going to that pool later, but they're open 2 o'clock. There's people there already.
Where? That's not.
Alright guys, so now Chris and I are gonna head to the pool. I bring my tote bag kasi nandyan yung aking mga vlog cams. Nandyan yung book that I'm going to read later. There's the book. I just got this book, Give and Take. It's really good. And I got this from Hawaii. And yeah, I hope we can get a sun today. We'll see. And the SPF we are using today is this sun bomb. We got it yesterday from Repulse Bay.
Oh, I need to have a mask.
And don't forget to bring a mask. Everywhere we go, we need a mask talaga.
Let's go, let's go.
Say? 20 euros. Meron key papuntang pool. Just to get into the pool. There's a queue. Later. They are here. Towel. Yes, order of food. So, nandito na kami sa aming pool area. Nandito na kami sa pool area, guys. And we got this.
I'll order it for right here.
So, Chris is ordering coffee to start our staycation. Coffee muna kasi umalis kami sa bahay ng anong oras ba yan? We left the house like 12:30. We get here 1 o'clock and we checked in and it's now 2 o'clock. And we can only stay here now only 2 hours because of the COVID situation get high. So medyo nilimit nila yung oras at saka yung pagpasok ng mga guests dito sa pool. And the sun is coming. Yes, that's what are we waiting for, the sunshine right at the pool. Diyan yung auntie. Got our coffee, sandwich, and french fries.
Yeah, I'm excited for today because Michelle is going to be doing her unboxing. She got some really nice jewelry the last time I had too much to drink. So it's going to be a special unboxing. So I got Michelle, also got her some extra special gifts.
Okay guys, if you decided to come here at Grand Hyatt Hotel to this staycation, you only have 2 hours to enjoy the pool, and also you have to wear the mask all the time. Now I didn't wear the mask because I were eating, we ordered the food, but after that I have to wear the mask, and you can, unless you go swimming, and then you can take off the mask.
We're here at this pool. Sun, unfortunately, is already gone. Now I get to take off the mask.
Yay!
Just gotta keep drinking and you don't have to wear a mask.
Keep the food calm. Enjoy. Cheers. Longer.
I'm giving thanks.
Giving
for my
thanks.
wife.
Why does American do the Thanksgiving?
It's a time for us to reflect on how amazing our life partner is and what she means to them. And that's why I'm so thankful.
So when did it start, the
Am I on
Thanksgiving?
camera right now?
Yeah, what's the what year did it start? Did you the American decided
You
to
know
do
what?
Thanksgiving?
I only know what you learn as a kid, which may not be accurate.
Alright.
They said it had something to do with the early settlers, like the first people who moved to America,
Uh-huh.
like presumably had a big banquet in the fall after the harvest to give thanks for the harvest and everything. So when you learn in school, it used to be the Indians and the Pilgrims together, but I'm not sure that actually is accurate.
Accurate. Okay.
Since there was a lot of, there's more, I think, thanks for the harvest.
Thanks for the harvest.
Yeah, I think so. I love you.
I love you more.